Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an ANOVA test in Google Sheets. This statistical analysis is incredibly useful when you need to compare means across multiple groups to determine if there are significant differences between them. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace, as this will give you access to all the necessary tools and extensions. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and recent documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to conduct your ANOVA test. This should be the sheet that already contains your data groups organized in columns or rows. Having your data properly structured before starting is essential for accurate results. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you'll find the tool we need for statistical analysis. In the Marketplace search bar, type XLM Enter Analysis Tool Pack and hit Search. When it appears in the results, click on it to open the Add-on Details page. This powerful tool brings Excel-like statistical analysis capabilities to Google Sheets. Go ahead and click Install to begin adding it to your spreadsheet. Google will ask for permission to install the add-on, so click Continue when prompted. This is a standard security measure to ensure you're authorizing the installation. Next, you'll need to sign in to confirm your identity, so click Continue again. You'll then see a checkbox asking for access permissions. Make sure to check this box and click Continue to proceed. These permissions allow the add-on to read and modify your spreadsheet data, which is necessary for conducting the analysis. Now you'll need to wait while the installation completes. This process can take a moment, so be patient. Sometimes it takes a bit longer depending on your connection speed, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a confirmation message and you can close the Marketplace window. Head back to the top menu and click on Extensions again. This time you'll see XLM Enter Analysis listed in the dropdown. Click on it and then select Start from the submenu. This launches the Analysis Toolpack interface. The XLM Enter panel will now appear on the right side of your screen. From the list of available analyses, click on ANOVA Single Factor. This opens the configuration window where you'll specify your data range and settings. Now you need to input the range of your data. Click in the Input Range field and either type the cell range or highlight the cells in your spreadsheet that contain your groups. If your data includes column headers in the first row, make sure to check the box labeled Labels in first row. This ensures your results will be properly labeled. Next, you need to specify where you want the results to appear. In the Output Range section, click on any empty cell in your spreadsheet where you'd like the ANOVA table to be placed. Enter that cell reference in the Output Range field, then click OK to run the analysis. The tool will need a moment to process your data and generate the results. And there you have it. Your ANOVA test results will now be displayed in your chosen location, showing the F statistic, p-value, and other relevant statistical measures that help you determine if there are significant differences between your groups. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.